Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve this particular probability problem. We are going to select a letter from two words. Okay, one letter from each of the two words. The word would be work and hard. Part A, to draw a possibility diagram. So I'm going to use this grid to help us, or this table. The first word that I wanted to do will be, the first word will be W-O-R-K. The second word, H-A-R-D. So what does it mean? It simply means that this particular box here, for example, the first word would be W, and the second word is H, the second letter, sorry. So the next grid would then be, I'm going to choose the word, the letter O from the word work, and I'm going to choose H from the word hard. So you can see that this is how it works. So the first letter will be R, second letter will be H, continue, so on and so forth. Eventually you can see that I will then be able to list out all the possible outcomes. Yeah? So this one will be W, second letter is A. So eventually you can see that for this whole vertical column, this whole column, the first letter is W, this will be R, and this will be D. This one, the first letter is O. For this particular column, the first letter is R, and this is K. And now the second letter, you can see where Mr. Tan is going to do. For this whole row, the second letter is A, the third row is R, and the last row is D. And I've completed the possibility diagram. Part B, find the probability of getting two vowels, and for vowels it is A, E, I, O, U. So out of the total number 16, how do I know it's 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 4 is 16. Total number of possible outcome is 16. Out of these 16, which outcome here has two vowels? O and A. No other possible, and therefore the answer to this 1/16. Total number of outcomes 16, out of which there's only one outcome that has two vowels. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.